So the hair I'm using in this tutorial is by Monstar on AliExpress. It's their 613 lace front wig. It comes in 12 inches and 150 density. It also comes pre-plucked. So before we start the watercolor method process, you must find a way to protect your lace so it won't get stained. So usually what I do is I'll take some Got2b glue free spray and just spray that all over the lace frontal. Now, in order to watercolor, the water must be warm to hot. I just use boiling water and then a little cup of room temperature so I can just start immediately. For this hair color tutorial, I went ahead and bought Intense Red by Adore as well as Red Velvet by Tintation. So the first hair bottle I used was Intense Red by Adore. I wanted to make sure that even though this wig will have a cool tone, I wanted to definitely make sure I get that red hue for this look. Now, after I put in some of the Adore Intense Red, I went ahead and put a little bit of the Red Velvet Tintation. I didn't want to put too much, like I said, because I didn't want this wig to come off, you know, a raspberry color. We want a cherry color. We want that, you know, good Valentine's Day red. Okay. Now, after both colors were mixed, I went ahead and dipped the ends a little bit of the ends of the blonde wig. You don't want to completely dip it in because you want to make sure that whatever color you mixed in your bucket is the exact shade you want. I wasn't getting the shade I wanted, so I actually went ahead and found another bottle that I just had in my house. I went ahead and used the Adore Truly Red, the remaining amount I had in my bottle. And this red is a very warm tone, saturated type of red. So just adding a little bit, you know, like I said, I used 1/3 of the hair dye. It allowed me to get that perfect shade of red I wanted. Now, after all the hair dyes are mixed together, it's now time to add the lace frontal wig into the mixture. I just take the hair gently, you know, dip it in, you know, patting it down, and you're just gonna, like, you know, constantly mix, stir the hair while it's in the bucket, as well as, you know, lifting it up to check and see if it's the correct shade. Right after you color your wig, now it's time to wash it. Now you have two options. You could honestly just rinse the hair color and then add conditioner, or you could do what I did. I actually used a little bit of shampoo and conditioner. It depends on personal preference, but I like to always shampoo my wigs even after coloring them, just to make sure that hair color fades. Also, I do not pre-wash my wigs all the time if I know I'm going to color it, especially if it's a 613 wig, because 613 wigs do tend to shed more, so I don't want to, you know, wash it, you know, wait extra time for it to air dry or even blow dry. I just want to, you know, kill two birds with one stone. And the hair products I'm using on my wig to wash it is the Pantene Pro V shampoo, as well as the Winter Cranberry Mint conditioner. This is actually a cleansing conditioner and it smells really, really good. Don't ask me where I got it from. It just came in a makeup bag, but I mean, I ain't familiar with the brand. I ain't gonna use on my natural hair, but it works on my wigs. So after washing my wigs, I just let them air dry overnight. And here's the results. As you can see, it's that nice cherry red I was going for. It has multiple shades. It's pretty dark skin friendly. If you're afraid of wearing red hair or just any colored hair, because I know there's a stigma, but trust me, you could pull off any hair color regardless of your skin tone. Just make sure it's the right undertone. So my undertones are cool, so I definitely want to, you know, go ahead with that flow and, you know, match it with the cool undertones. You feel me? if you like what you see, definitely stay tuned. I would have a video coming up on how I actually installed this lace unit. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you see. So thank you, and I'll see you later.